Hello, I'm going to tell you a little bit about monitoring digital recording levels. And like many things in the digital world, if we relate back to the way we used to do things in the analog world, it'll certainly help us with our digital approaches. Now perhaps you're old enough to remember this. This is a VU meter, VU standing for volume unit. And in the old days you would have something like this, or a linear thing on a cassette player. And if you pushed the input levels, the meter would go slightly into the red, and that was perfectly acceptable on analog recording, because such is the nature of tape saturation you would get there. It would sound quite nice and warm. In the digital world, recording levels is a little bit less forgiving, and here we have a recording set at a reasonable level, and now we start to push it, and you see that the waveform is crushed up at the top, which will lead to distortion. This diagram shows the ideal peak level of an analog recording, and this diagram shows the ideal peak level of a digital recording. We can't push it quite as hard. There's a reason why we need to record our audio as high level as possible without distortion, and that is to gain a good signal to noise ratio. And I'll explain to you what signal to noise ratio is in the next movie. You might want to come to a workshop on digital audio. Check out my website on screen now for the workshops I'm running, and perhaps you'd like to subscribe to my email list to get notification of more tips and videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.